Is it time to buy or sell SPY ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SPY. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has designated SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.95. Now let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 5.35%. This corresponds to an average return of 0.21% per day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is situated in the upper section of a narrow and weak upward trend in the short term. This positioning may often present an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back toward the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $609.94 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 7.62% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between 4.09% and 8.05%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 25.74% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 16.34% and 26.12%. This corresponds to a price range from $706.77 to $766.20 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for the SPY ETF includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for SPY ETF Price After Wednesday Trading. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 11th of December, 2024, the SPY ETF price rose by approximately 0.758%, moving from $602.94 to $607.51. During that day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 0.485%, with a low of $605.50 and a high of $608.44. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 1.12% over the past 2 weeks. However, it is important to note that the trading volume decreased by 8 million shares on the last day, with a total of 24 million shares traded, amounting to about $14.33 billion. This decline in volume, alongside rising prices, may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $609.06, while the lowest was $464.12. Currently, the price is 0.25%, or $1.55, below the 52-week high of $609.06, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. The trajectory of the S&P 500, represented by the SPDR S&P 500 ETF Trust, is showing promising signs as we approach the holiday season, particularly in light of the anticipated Santa Claus rally. Market analysts indicate that upward momentum is likely in store for U.S. indices, supporting a bullish outlook for SPY in the short term. Investors are also focusing on the 10 most loved S&P 500 stocks, projected to have significant upside potential, which could lead to overall market strength and bolstered investor confidence going into 2025. The current historically low volatility signifies a period of calm, which could be favorable for sustained growth. Recently, the S&P 500 faced minor declines as investors braced for critical inflation data. The performance of key players like Nvidia has affected overall market sentiment, highlighting the interconnectedness of stocks in this index. While short-term fluctuations can be influenced by earnings misses and economic reports, forecasts for 2025 remain optimistic, with some analysts projecting the S&P could hit 7,000 amid expected growth. The overall bullish sentiment among analysts is likely to attract more investments, suggesting a positive long-term outlook for SPY as it rides the wave of potential gains and seasonal buying trends. The following signals have been identified for SPY. There are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund today. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Friday, December 6, 2024, and so far it has fallen by approximately 0.06%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot has been established. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The SPY ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which provides a positive outlook for the fund. There is also a general buy signal stemming from the relationship between these two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, some support will be found at the levels of 605.86 and 592.11. A breakdown below any of these levels will trigger sell signals. Volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Here are some other signals that may capture your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 4 days ago. Bollinger Indicators provided a buy signal 22 days ago. The short-term moving average has generated a buy signal just 2 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average signaled a buy 27 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average issued a buy signal 26 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 89 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $570.98 and $568.70. There is an inherent risk when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the fund may then fall to the next support level. In this instance, SPY finds support just below today's level at $570.98. Should this level be breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $568.70 and $568.25. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low. Over the last day, the fund moved $2.93 between its high and low, which is a change of 0.485%. Throughout the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced a daily average volatility of 0.483%. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. In the event of an upward trend, the initial resistance level for SPY is at $607.61. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the ETF, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SPY faces its first support level at $570.98. Should this support level remain intact, it might present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $589.28, reflecting a decrease of 3%. This exchange-traded fund experiences very low daily fluctuations, which contributes to a low-risk profile. However, the 14-day relative strength index stands at 76, indicating a significantly higher risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 3 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the near future. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the most recent trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 12th of December, we expect the SPY to open lower by 362 hundredths and begin trading at $607.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below to share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.